This is Maria Liberati, and I am in the beautiful city of Urbino in the region of Le Marche, Italy. Moreno, you have taken me to so many wonderful places here in Le Marche. I've tasted such wonderful food. I'm just drunk, not only from the wine, but the scenery also. It's just so beautiful. There's so many special things here, but it's just hard to put into words. Why don't you tell us what makes Le Marche so special?
Yeah, it's a nice question, Maria, because in Le Marche we have so much good things, so much good about food, about culture, about people. And Le Marche, I think, is so natural way. It's a slow life, very important because it's not a touristic place. Le Marche is the first region of Italy for longevity. Longevity means the people live longer.
Yes, they
live longer because they have a good balance between work and private life. This is really important.
Yes. Moreno, you're probably like the unofficial ambassador of Le Marche, right? Because when you travel around, you express to everybody that sentiment of Le Marche, right?
Yes, it's
so the wonderful quality of life and food also of Le Marche.
I try to do like ambassador of Le Marche because I try to show what we have.
Yes.
But my mission, the market mission, I think, is not to become very, very rich and famous, but because we have all private life. Like, okay, the tourism is important. Rural tourism is a quality of the life is amazing, is good. I want to show to the people, but must be very respect to the area. This is very sustainable way because okay, you can work in here for 10, 20 years. I'm very master tourist, full of tourists, but you lost the power. Because if some people come here because it's not touristic, okay, we would like if it become touristic, but must be a way. I think people
don't realize that even though you can buy this food, you can buy it anywhere in the world, really. If you enjoy it here, you can really enjoy it.
I want to show the experience, Marche, because last year we had another friend from California, and she was, the meeting, California, American way, very rush all the time.
Yes.
And he said, come on, stop, we have it all the day, don't worry, because we arrive 5 minutes late. What I mean? So in Italian, 5 minutes late, so you arrive on time.
Yes, that sentiment of the ambiance of Le Marche, the Le Marche experience, where it's not just the food and the wine, but it's also a way of life that you really need to experience food and wine together with that way of life to get the true experience. And I will attest to, I am from the United States, so I'm always stressed out when I get here, but after being here for a few days, I get into the Italian lifestyle and I do the same thing. I have a more relaxed lifestyle, and you know what, I can really enjoy my life that way. And hopefully everyone comes and sees you soon. Yes.
I'm sorry, I didn't before. I like the wine.
Yes.